Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we talk ZBCN market update for the Zebacean, the dear Zebacean. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Look, guys, we have this trend line here that we've been watching. We've been watching this trend line. You can draw it like this as well. Okay, you can see how it's been holding the price so far very, very well. But we have risks now. We have risk now of this might break down. I'll show you why. Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is now at resistance. Okay, you can see we have a lot of resistance here overhead, right here on the 117-ish. And some will say it's forming type of a bear flag here or a rising wedge. Okay, you can call it a rising wedge. Now, if Bitcoin will lose its trend line, it's very likely that ZBCN will lose its trend line. So some things to pay attention to. Let's go back to ZBCN. Okay, so always watch the Bitcoin when you are looking at ZBCN and look at this. This thing here looks kinda toppy. Looks kinda toppy to me. We'll see how it will unfold next week. Next week is very, very important week for Zebec. Okay, if it loses this trend line, I'll show you some support level I'm watching. All right, so first of all, we have the 200-day MA. That's the green line here. If it loses this level, and let's say it's bottom out on the 200-day level around the threes, that would be a good time to buy, in my opinion. Again, not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor for investors. And now, if it loses the 200-day MA, you have this support here. Okay, it can technically go all the way to do a retest of the breakout of the base, which we said it is possible. We don't expect it. It actually retested it here, 2023, but not all the way back to the 21s. So again, if it loses the 200-day MA, there is a risk it can go there. There is a risk it can go there, but I would expect, the Zebec bulls in investors, the big players of Zebec, the ones that have been buying here and accumulating here, to accumulate a ton more here if it's gonna go there. Probably, again, I'm not expecting to go there. I'm expecting it to hold above the 200-day MA, and I'm gonna keep you posted definitely on the Zebec network price fluctuations and price analysis. Now, all right, so remember this trend line. This trend line is very, very important. Okay, if break below this trend line, it might go for a longer correction. A longer correction type of a move. We're gonna see what it is want to do. But on the other hand, if it can hold above this trend line or hold above this low here, maybe it will do a double bottom here and then start advancing into the last quarter of the year. We'll keep you posted on the price analysis on ZBCN. Let's look on the momentum here. If something has changed here, you can see this weekly bar forming now. You can see we're forming here topping tails. You can see you had a topping tail here, a topping tail here, and a topping tail here on the weekly bar. This candle is not closed yet. We still have tomorrow. We have 1 day on 6 hours for this close. But if it closes like this with 3 topping tails, it's probably going to drop further. Okay, let's look on stochastic RSI, still down. Okay, you want to see it cross up. This is the most important. This is the most important thing really for Zebec. We need momentum to cross back up, so we will have another leg up. Okay, without the momentum, you're not gonna have another leg up. You need it. You want a leg up to new all-time highs. You need momentum. Just cleared high and went bananas. Since no trending momentum, so that's what we're looking for. I'm actually seeing it happening in October. Definitely, I'll keep you posted regarding that. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Really, now it's not the time. Really, like we told you, it's you don't want to touch ZBCN below this trend line again. As a trader, as an investor, if you want to hodl and it's your cup of tea to hold in and you don't mind missing out on these amazing trades that are popping all over left, right, and centers, and giving a lot of ROIs to traders. Coins are pumping, going to new highs. If you don't mind missing out on this stuff for some reason, if you're allergic to capital, to gains, so yeah, you can DCA into it, but it's not a good strategy, because for me, I'm gonna buy the breakout of the downward trend, and I'm gonna wait for it to happen. That's where I'm gonna initiate my big position, my big position. This is the triggering event for the next ZBCN bull market, in my opinion. Again, that's where I'm gonna play. I'm gonna play my cards according to my opinion and my analysis, and that's where I'm gonna buy ZBCN heavily. Till that happen, I can entertain, play a little bit here, buy a little bit here, catch a bounce, whatever. But the big guns will come here on the break of the downward trend. All right, just like we did here. We've been waiting for it to clear that level. It was consolidating here, doing a cup and handle. Only when it broke here, we bring the big guns. I'll show you. That was the trade, Zebec. Show you the Zebec trade. That was the Zebec trade, ZBCN, on, you can see the date, 19th of May. All right, you can see the price was 19. We bought some. Then we tripled the size on the break above 217. So we had in total around 20% capital on the ZBCN trade on the breakout of 21. All right, that was the breakout, man. That was exactly the moment the capital went into ZBCN, our capital, our trading capital, right? So you don't want to be wasting time, man. You're wasting time. You better subscribe to our trading service, okay, with the link below, and we're going to tell you the next time to go balls deep on ZBCN, just like we did here. All right, man? So really, thank you guys for watching. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, cook the bell. If you want to join our membership, that's our link. You can scan the QR code. It will take you to our VIP. If you join, make sure first when you join, check the messages on WAP. You will get a message from me. Few videos you need to watch on how to long, how to buy breakouts, how to short. Okay, you watch them, how to put the stops, how to put the take profits, how to trade on the spot market, on the future market. Very simple, very easy for dummies, videos for dummies. You watch that and you're good. You know how to buy the breakout. That's it. You're going to get all our trade alerts, all our market updates in our membership. You have general support, chat support, anything you need. Thank you guys for watching. If you're serious about crypto trading and you trade with 5 digits, 50K and above, 100K, you trade with large amounts, and you want us to give you, coaching, personal coaching on your portfolio, on your trading, okay, help you hand in hand, phone calls, monthly phone calls, unlimited support to us. Check out Elite VIP. See you in the next video. Cheers.